Hello, students. I am Satnam Singh, and welcome once again on my YouTube channel, Economics by Satnam Sir. Dear student, in this video tutorial, I will going to discuss the meaning of statistic. Dear students, but before we start this video, I will recommend to all of you to please subscribe my YouTube channel, Economics by Satnam Sir, for very more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get start. The meaning of statistic. Dear student, it is not easy to define statistic in a precise manner. A statistic has been defined differently by different writers from time to time, emphasizing precisely the meaning, scope, and limitation of the subject. Some authorities have defined statistic as a statistical data, means plural sense, whereas others as statistical methods, means singular sense. So first we will discuss here the meaning of statistic in a singular sense. In singular sense, statistic means as collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. This definition covers the collection of data. It is a main and the first step in a statistical inquiry. The technique of comparison of data depends upon the objective of the study. And after collection, the data is organized in a proper form, which involves editing and classification. And after classification, the data is presented in some suitable manner in the form of text, table, graphs, diagram, etc. And after presentation of data, analysis is done with the help of simple mathematical techniques. These include measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, correlation and regression, etc. And after analysis, the last step in the statistical methodology is interpretation of data. It involves statistical thinking skill and experience to derive meaning from the analyzed data. The interpretation provides the final conclusion drawn from the analyzed data. So, the statistic mean in singular sense is a statistic is a singular sense may be defined as the collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. The second definition of statistic is plural sense. Statistic is defined means aggregates of fact affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed, enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standard of accuracy, collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose and placed in relation to each other. Here we discuss one by one each and every point. First point is aggregates of fact. Statistic are aggregates of facts. Statistic are a number of facts. Statistic single and isolated figures are not statistic, as such figures cannot be compared. For example, in a single age of 30 years is not a statistic, but a series relating to the age of group of person will be called statistic. And second, affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes. It means numerical figures means data are influenced by variety of factors. It is not an easy job to study the effect of any one factor separately by ignoring the other factor. For example, a statistic of production of a crop, say rice, is affected by rainfall, fertilizer, seeds, method of cultivation, etc. It is not possible to study separately the effect of each of these forces on the production of rice. And next feature is the statistic are numerically expressed. The statistical approach to a subject is numerical. So any facts to be called statistic must be numerically expressed. For example, Isha is taller than Mohani and Ananya will not be called a statistic. However, If the same fact are expressed in numbers like Isha height is 154 centimeter, Mohini height is 120 centimeter, Ananya height is 60 centimeter, we will call then a statistic. And the next is after numerically expressed, statistics are enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standard of accuracy. In a statistic, data is collected with a reasonable standard of accuracy. A high degree of accuracy is observed in accountancy and mathematics is not possible because mass of data is involved. The process of generalization can be achieved with a reasonable standard of accuracy. And after this, statistics are collected in a systematic manner. Statistical manner means for accuracy or reliability of data, the figures should be collected in a systematic manner. In the figures are collected in a not a systematic manner, the reliability of data will decreases. And statistics are collected for a predetermined purpose. The purpose of collecting statistical data must be decided in advance. Otherwise, usefulness of the data collected would be negligible. Data collected in a unsystematic manner and without complete awareness of the purpose will be confusing and cannot be made on the basis of valid conclusion. And after this, statistics are placed in relation to each other. Collection of statistical data is generally done with the motive of compare. In the figures collected are not comparable, then they lose a large part of their significance. For example, it would be meaningless to compare the height of the man with the height of the tree because these figures are of a heterogeneous character. Such figures do not come under the category of statistic. So, thus, in the plural sense, statistics means statistical refers to aggregates of fact affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed, enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standard of accuracy, collected in a systematic manner for predetermined purpose, and placed in relation to each other. This is the meaning of statistic in plural sense. Thank you very much for watching this video. In my next video, we will explain the significance, the importance, and the limitation of statistic in economics. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Thanks a lot.